Hello, Sarah, One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing again here. Welcome back to our e-commerce checklist, Google Ads checklist for e-commerce. We're looking at checklist item number 33. And today we're asking, are you adding custom intent audiences to your search and shopping campaigns? So the last couple of videos have also talked about this, called remarketing lists for search ads, where you can layer audiences over your search and shopping campaigns and then based on performance can adjust bids accordingly. Custom intent audiences are basically, Google allows you to define your own audience. Up until before we had custom intent audiences, you either had remarketing audiences, you had in-market audiences, which I talked about yesterday, or you had sort of general interest audiences. So if you're a football fan, you would be sort of an avid football fan and you could target people based on that general behavior. What we have with custom intent audiences now is that we're able to use keywords to target particular people. So you can I'm trying to think of an example, because if running shoes is not a good example, because you can have you know, there's plenty of audiences that target kind of avid runners and all that kind of thing, and fitness people, but you can use keywords to build audiences. You can use web URLs to build audiences, so effectively you can target people who visit specific websites. Interesting idea. And just kind of test and build your own audiences, which can be really, really valuable. What happens when you go to add your custom intent, you don't have to kind of sit there and try and think. Google will look at the data in your account, and it will actually auto-generate and suggest some custom intent audiences. I would recommend that to start with, you just add those ones that Google recommends. Because remember, you're not adjusting any bid. This won't cost you any more, just adding the audience to your campaigns. What it will do, it will over time build up data and allow you to look and see, oh, hey, this audience performs really well. When I show ads to this audience, they convert well, they give me a good ROI, and so then you can choose to increase bids for that particular audience within your campaigns to get better results. So that's custom intent. Well worth doing some research and thinking about how you would target people, but you need to check, and if you do nothing else, just add these auto custom intent audiences over your search and shopping campaigns, let them sit there and get some data, and in a month or two's time go back and have a look and see if you can see any results where you would be able to boost your performance by maybe adjusting your bids up or down a little bit. So that's today's video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment below if you have any questions, or if there's any topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, please let me know. Subscribe to the channel over here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.